When reaching out to our support team, we might ask you to provide the MessageID header of your email. This unique identifier helps us quickly and efficiently locate specific emails. By sharing the MessageID, you'll enable our customer success team to swiftly access the details of any email sent with Elastic Email and provide you with the help you need. In this video, I'll show you how to find the MessageID. If you're using our dashboard, the process is the same for both marketing and API products. Simply click on the Activity tab and navigate to the email logs. Next, click on the eye icon to open up the pop-up screen. Here, you'll find the MessageID. Just copy it and share it with the customer support team. You can also check the MessageID directly in your email client. Look for options like Show Original or Source. For example, in Gmail, you can find it under these options. In emails sent via Elastic Email, the MessageID is displayed there or appears as XMSG-EID. If you're using a different email client, you can find more details in this Google documentation. Remember to use the MessageID at the start of your issue description. This will not only save your time, but also enable our team to investigate your problem more quickly and effectively. Have a great day.